Hello everyone, how are you doing? This is MD Tech here with another quick tutorial. In today's tutorial, I'm going to show you guys how to freeze the top row of an Excel worksheet. So this should hopefully be pretty straightforward, and without further ado, let's jump right into it. So let's say we want to freeze this top row up here at the top. Very simple to do. Just want to left click on the number 1 on the left side here, or whatever the top row you want to freeze is. And then you want to go ahead and left click on the View tab. And then you want to go down and left click on Freeze Panes. Select Freeze Top Row. Keep the top row visible while scrolling through the rest of this worksheet. So if I left click on that, nothing looks like it really changed at first unless you start scrolling down, and then you see that this top bar has been frozen. Now if you want to unfreeze it, just again select this top row, go underneath Freeze Panes, and then select Unfreeze Panes. So pretty straightforward. I hope I was able to help you out, and I look forward to catching you all in the next tutorial. Goodbye.